In this video, I will take you step by step through the entire process on how tomato paste is produced. Step 1. Harvesting the tomato. Ripe tomatoes are carefully harvested from the farm. Most industrial factories source high quality, fully ripe tomato to ensure consistent color, taste, and texture. In large-scale production, machines or hand picking may be used depending on the region, as you all can see on the screen. Once harvested, the tomatoes are sorted to remove damaged or underripe fruit. Only the best tomatoes continue to the next stage. Step number 2. Washing and cleaning. The tomatoes are washed thoroughly, as you all can see on the screen. Industrial washing line use running water brush to remove dirt from the tomato. And let me give you one secret. Clean tomatoes are very essential for high quality paste. Step number 3. Sorting and grading. The tomatoes are sorted by size, color, and ripeness. This ensures that the batch of tomato paste has a uniform quality. Many factories use sorting machines that detect color and remove the substandard tomatoes automatically. Step 4. Crushing. The tomatoes are sent through industrial crusher, or you can call it grinder, anyone you choose to call it, either crusher or grinder. This process breaks the tomatoes down into a smooth pieces or a smooth particle to make it very smooth. size, heating, and concentration. During this process, quality checks are performed for color and consistency. Some factories also add natural preservatives to maintain freshness. This step is critical because it gives tomato paste its deep red color and smooth texture. And now, step number 6, which is our last step: packaging and sterilization. Paste can be packaged in cans, glass jar, or tube depending on the brand. Before sealing, the paste is often sterilized using heat to ensure it remains safe for long-term storage, as you can see on the screen. This step kills any bacteria or yeast that could spoil the product. So the next time you open any tomato paste, remember the journey it took from the farm process down to the factory process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more factory insights. Thank you for watching Factory Made Insights.